All right, guys, listen, it's 4:03. I'm just going to do a brief recap because a lot's going to change and everyone's going to be trading the NVIDIA and different earnings reports anyway. So let's get to it. Take a look at the disclosure. My name is Scott Redler. I'm the Chief Strategic Officer of T3Lab.com. It is Wednesday, very choppy day. SPYs, just to make it clear, after putting a low in on Friday, kind of pushed above yesterday's high, came back below. If you had a lot of positions on, there were definitely ways to book some money, get comfortable. You have a big binary event with NVIDIA, so anything could kind of happen. So that's kind of what that looks like right there. Everything kind of looks the same where, if you were long yesterday and you added to it in the hole, things were down a little bit, they pushed and then they came back in. Nothing so specific to report. Qs did the same thing. Pushed above, came back, and now we'll see what happens, after NVIDIA and after some of the earnings. As of right now, NVIDIA gave you a move up, and then now it's down $1. It's hard to tell. There was some Trump news that came out about software chips or whatever. I don't know. All I know is that if you are trading NVIDIA, if it's really good, it's gonna have to take out 137.50 to get to 143. So this would be like your momentum level if you're buying strength. And if it's not enough, which is the way it's been for a bunch of quarters, I wouldn't touch 130. I would I don't know. I don't know where you would touch it. I guess right here would be interesting, or actually the moving averages in this gap. Really, yeah, like that's what Chillo just said, 120. So it's either you're buying it through 137.40 or you're leaving it alone, probably down to 120. Those are the levels of NVIDIA. Then we'll see and we'll know more, depending when. I'm still in Google. I'm still in Amazon. Not a whole lot, but enough where, kind of be annoying if this is a red dog reversal top and we start heading lower, but it's a lower high. If you just look at the chart, it looks like you should be smaller than you were yesterday. If you look at Google, kind of looks like the same thing. Had a push, came back in. I am smaller than Google. I'm small Google. I'm kind of the same, I think, in Amazon. Made some money, took some off, whatever. Not going to get into all of them. Apple, everything did a little topping tail today, but everything could either change or there's a reason for it into tomorrow. As far as like Tesla, also after a big move, everyone's like, look at the move from here, Red Dog. Like, you got to get out of the way, Red Dog reversal. I don't know. We'll see. Some news about Austin and their robo taxi, so we'll see. I got out of it, unfortunately. CRM's coming out with numbers. We'll see how that goes. It looked like it was up before, but we'll see. This is one spot. This is your next spot. Just listen. You gotta trade your time frame. Know what you're doing. If you're trading after hours, cool. I bought a little Palantir options. Palantir looks like for next week, if the market wants to hang in there, it's something that can go. Dash was decent, had a push, didn't have enough to sustain it. I'm still in some stock. I'm in some options. That was good also. So we'll see how it goes. Again, every day it's like you just manage your positions, manage. We'll see what NVIDIA does. It's coming out soon. I'll have an extensive morning report, and I'll tweet a few things after things happen. Just because as of right now, you know your levels. That's all you can do with it. Someone asked me what about what is it about WRD? Had a push, couldn't quite get going, but I sold some strength. I'm still in it. Same thing with Bull. Trading, I'm trying to do my best to trade these ranges. Lately it's been really, really hard to, do anything as far as buying high and selling higher. All right, this AI, we'll see what happens here. It's up $2, but I'm not getting excited. I have options on. Be nice if it holds up and goes, but we'll see. Anybody want to push the numbers up? AI. Yeah, this is the level right here. The 100 days, like, above that, and the 200 day is 26-ish. We'll see. I have options, and I have them from 2 weeks ago. I've trimmed some, I'm holding some, and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys.